how to withdraw money from the Tango app. So if you want to withdraw money from the Tango app, then what you need to do is first, you need to open up your Tango application, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, after opening your Tango app, you might have this kind of interface. Now, you just need to simply go with your profile, which will be in the top left. Once you tap on your profile here under Creator Tools, you will have an option of Get Money. You need to click on it. And once you click on Get Money, as you can see that you will have Add Withdrawal Method. So if you've not added your withdrawal method, then you won't be able to withdraw. So first you need to add a method. So go with Add Withdrawal Method. And after that, it will ask you if you really want to add, you need to just go with Continue. And then you'll be able to add your withdrawal method like your carrier billing or your Visa card or bank transfer or any option that you're comfortable with. You'll also have a PayPal option. You can transfer to your PayPal too. So you just need something to go and add your withdrawal method. And once you've added your withdrawal method, you need to go with the following prompt and you'll be able to withdraw. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.